Hello and welcome to Easy Maths channel. This is Ramu. Today we are going to discuss a beautiful problem. X comma y comma z greater than 1 and a is equal to x plus y plus z plus 3 by x minus 1 plus 3 by y minus 1 plus 3 by z minus 1 and b is equal to 2 into root x plus 2 plus root y plus 2 plus root z plus 2 and the condition is a is equal to b. Then find the value of x, y, z. Let us go. A is equal to b given. What is a? X plus y plus z plus 3 by x minus 1 plus 3 by y minus 1 plus 3 by z minus 1 is equal to b already mentioned 2 into root x plus 2 root y plus 2 plus root z plus 2. Now check it. X plus, write down the all x terms side by side. Here 2 into root x plus 2, it's a positive, that means plus. If it takes to LHS, it becomes to negative. 2 into root x plus 2. In the same way, y plus 3 by y minus 1 plus becomes again minus 2 into root y plus 2 plus z plus 3 by z minus 1 plus becomes to minus root z plus 2 equal to 0. Now observe all the terms. All the three terms in x, y, z are the same. So simply we can use sigma x plus 3 by x minus 1 minus 2 into root x plus 2 equal to 0, where sigma is applicable for x, y, z. Now sigma, do it one thing here, x, do minus 1 plus 1 and the remaining will be as it is, 3 by x minus 1 minus 2 into root x plus 2 is equal to 0. If you do minus 1 plus 1, the value will not be changing. Now observe very clearly. Here x minus 1 plus 1, this one will be as it is, x minus 1 sigma plus, find out the LCM of these two. LCM is x minus 1. So 1 into x minus 1, x minus 1 plus 3 by x minus 1 minus 2 into, here root x plus 2 is there, write as it is root x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now sigma, this is x minus 1 as it is, plus 3 minus 1 is plus 2, that is x plus 2 by x minus 1, and this can be written as 2 into root x plus 2 multiply and divide with x minus 1. So what is the use? It will come in the next step. So this can be written as root x minus 1 whole square plus root of x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole square minus 2 into root x plus 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you observe this one, it is clearly in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab formula, a minus b whole square, that is sigma root x minus 1 minus root x plus 2 by x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That means a minus b whole square becomes to root, therefore x minus 1 is equal to root of x plus 2 by x minus 1 and the square root root gets cancelled. So you will get x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 2. Here you can understand one point. Here sigma root x minus 1 minus root x plus 2 whole square. Nothing but if we delete the sigma, it means instead of x you can write y minus 1 by minus root of y plus 2 by y minus 1. So another term you will get z, root z minus 1 minus root of z plus 2 by z minus 1 whole square. Now we will simplify this value. X minus 1 whole square can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. X square minus x 3x plus 2 minus 2, that is minus 1 is equal to 0. Now clearly it is in the quadratic equation form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the roots of the quadratic equation is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. Equation for x formula minus b minus of minus 3 plus or minus b square minus 3 whole square 9 minus 4ac, 4 into a value 1, c value minus 1, minus into minus plus by 2a, 2 ones are 2. X is equal to 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to, only we should take root 13 by 2. We should not consider negative, because in the problem they mentioned very clearly x, y, z is greater than 1. If you take negative here, we will get the negative number. So we should not take that negative. So we should take only positive. So here finally we got x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2. What about y and z? Already I told you here. Instead of x, if you substitute y, if you substitute z, same you will get y is equal to this value only, and as well as z is equal to same value. So similarly we can take y and z. So what we can say finally? We will get x is equal to, y is equal to, z is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2. This is the solution for the given question. I think you like my video. Please like my video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will meet you again.